What's up, YouTube? X26 Kicks here. Quarantine video. I know it's been a minute. I'm slacking. My apologies. Got an unboxing. Rest in peace, my man Kobe. It's a surprise, y'all. So we here, and I'm not gonna show the other side of this box because it's got the address on it, but it is not some Timberland Pros. I'll tell you that. It is not some Timberland Pros. Let's see if I can get this started with one hand. We out here in Arizona. They actually just started opening things back up. There's barbershops. They're starting to open up restaurants and stuff right now. But we're just living this quarantine life. I haven't been making any videos just because I've been lazy. I'm gonna get the knife. One sec. These were a pretty good price. They didn't come with the original box, obviously. But when I saw it was the top bidder, how much time was left on them, I had to get them. So, here we go, y'all. That's right, space boots. Let's pull them out. Oh man, this brings back so many memories. So you see them right here. Adidas, Kobe 2. They used, and made some spacey ones. But I had these in high school. I had moved from Cali to Oregon freshman year of high school, and I picked these up when they came out. And to do that, Foot Locker talked me into getting the wrong size because it was the only size left. But I got them. I hooped in them for my Boys and Girls Club League. Got made fun of, but Kobe was my favorite player, and I didn't care. Oh man, these are crazy. Let me see here. You know, the Kobe 1. I love the Kobe 1. I got the black. These are the retros from 2013. Also have the Portland City Edition player, PE, whatever you want to call it, from Dame Lillard. I mean, this model is one of my favorite silhouettes. When they came out with these, it was like, man, it was crazy. They were auto inspired. So basically, like the toe and the heel is supposed to be like the spoiler and the grill, or the grill and the spoiler. Says here, looking for, this is a quote from the designer. I'm not sure say his name. His last name is Nielsen. He said, the key to the design of the Kobe was a collaboration process between the automotive industry and the footwear industry, inspired by a unique design approach. Traditionally, footwear design starts with the last and builds outward. With the Kobe, we built the shoe from the from the outside in. The quality materials married with a unique design approach have led to one of the most innovative basketball shoes to hit the market in recent history. So that's the quote from the designer, and that was for the first one. They were designed after that Audi TT Roadster. Kobe 2, they got the same design language and they channeled it into even more bizarre looking low top. This is from highsnobiety.com, an article they did at the beginning of this year. So there's some info from that. But like I said, man, these, they just bring back memories. They are my size, 11 and a half. And I mean, for the price, they look a lot better than a lot of the shoes that I had seen online that were used. Obviously, you can still find DS pairs, but I mean, some of the like the All-Star edition, where it's like yellow with the white. I think there's like a little bit of purple or something on the collar. But those ones, I mean, I saw a couple of DS pairs and they were selling for like $5,000, and that was on eBay. You can go on StockX and stuff. There's some of the colorways, but I saw these. I had to get the white pair. I don't know if I'm gonna try and do any restoration on them, honestly. There's not any videos really about anybody doing anything with these. It's a little oxidized on the plastic parts, you know, the toe, the the side right here, and then on the back with the Pro Kobe logo. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna try and restore these at all. I might do an off foot and maybe just see how they feel. I don't know about the foam on the inside holding up, but man, super excited about these, y'all. Super excited to have these in the collection. Obviously the display, it's just this little corner for now. I got more shoes than this, obviously you've seen from some of the videos, and I'm just getting this room changed up and stuff like that. But adding these to the collection, man, fills a void in my shoe sole. Keep watching. I'm gonna try and make more videos. I know I'm slow, I know I say that more is coming, but hey, the grind continues. Thanks for watching, y'all. Rest in peace to the main man Kobe. We got another addition to the shrine. All right, once again, X26 Kicks. I'll see y'all later. Peace.